How to install the tray table. Prepare a 4mm Allen key. Step 1. Install the tray table bracket. For the back of the bracket, 4 washers will be used. 2 thick and 2 thin washers, together with a short screw. For the front of the bracket, 2 thin washers and a long screw will be used. Apply the above spare parts and fasten the bracket to the armrest. Step 2. Face the bracket outward and insert the armrest set. Step 3. Place the tray table by inserting the tube into the bracket. Step 4. Lift the clamp and fasten the screw.